In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to your iPhone. Let's get into the method. This should work for all types of Bluetooth headphones. Open the Settings app, and then choose Bluetooth from the list. First, make sure that Bluetooth is turned on with the toggle switch, and now move your attention to your Bluetooth headphones. Make sure they are charged, and now we need to get them into pairing mode. This method can differ on each Bluetooth device, however some will have a pair button to press or hold, and some might require you to hold the power button for say 10 seconds. If you're not sure, check the manual or online for your specific Bluetooth headphones. Once pairing, a light on the headphones should start flashing, and after a few seconds, they should show up within the Other Devices section. Tap on them here. If this didn't work, try pairing the device again, and make sure the headphones are within range of your iPhone. They should now show as connected in the My Devices section, and you can tap on the information icon next to them to be able to change settings. This is also where you can forget the device if you needed to in the future. You might want to check that the device type is set as headphone. If it says an app is required, they should still work without, but you can try getting the app for more features and controls. You can now test out your Bluetooth headphones, and they should work to play sound. That's how to connect Bluetooth headphones to your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.